You know, Jake, I'm not really good at pool.
Let's see it. So, Bree, what sorority are you in?
Alpha Pi.
So, Bree, what's your fun fact?
When I was in high school, I used to collect bugs.
Why do you want to become Sigma Chi's sweetheart?
Well, ever since I became a member of AOPI, and even before then, the Sig Chis have always been super supportive, and they've always just been a group of guys that has helped me through a lot, and I would really like to give back to them and be able to do the same for them. They really represent a lot of the values that I hold close to my heart. Huntsman is a foundation that I hold close to my heart, and so I think being the sweetheart would just bring me closer to the guys, help me be more for them, and give back to them what they've given to me.
To keep the integrity of the competition, this is the first and only take of this. So here we go. Bree, where is Sigma Chi's headquarters located?
Sigma Chi's headquarters is in Evanston, Illinois.
That's correct. Bree, how many of the original founders of Sigma Chi were born in Ohio?
5.
Good. Perfect.
So Bree, which Sigma Chi do you think has the best smoke?
You know, I don't know.
So.
Us. Pioneers started on my corner like the cold crush. Had smokers lining up the block like a gold rush. The saying live fast and die young is what they told us. The way that they mold us, perfect way they showed us how to get money, fuck bitches off this nose dust. Showed me how to burn the block down before it slows up, before the window of opportunity closes up. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah, I came, I saw, I conquered.
For those of you wondering why I'm not actually there and why I'm going through all of this and recording everything, it's actually because I'm at Nationals for club volleyball a couple of states away in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm recording this on Tuesday, but I leave tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., so therefore I would not be present at the competition. But the guys of Sigma Chi were super understanding and still wanted me to compete, which is really awesome, and they've been really awesome to work with me. Especially Jonathan, who recorded the whole thing. And a big thanks to the house guys, the men's club volleyball team for helping me make the talent video. And to the Sigma Chi guys like Trevor and Jeff, who have been super awesome and super understanding and willing to work with me in a way that makes me be able to show what I can provide to them. And I just really appreciate the opportunity. So I hope to hear all about it when I get back, and I can't wait to see you guys.